At number 2000 revolutions is compatible with a wide range of rotors-only nut ports for better performance.
4. We have the Geriatis EDC pry bar multi-tool. One durable stainless steel body, including a heavy-duty pry bar, bidirectional ratchet screwdriver, wrenches, bottle opener, and attachment, which includes both flathead and Phillips bits. 0.24 ounces, it's lightweight enough to carry in your pocket or attach to your belt using the included clip. Overall, if you're
it handles everyday tasks.
Wrench, 3 8-inch automotive and also get peak and trace work, lawn Shop link is in Skill 8214, compact, portable, powerful and portable saw designed for woodworking, 5-inch rip capacity to the right of the blade. Product number 7, Demima cordless rest. We have the Weber pipe tube bender, a versatile tool designed for HVAC, plumbing. It also comes with a pipe cutter.